In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity in MoonPay so you can start buying and selling crypto without limits. First, open MoonPay in your browser or the mobile app and log in with your email. Enter the verification code sent to your inbox. Once you're on the main screen, look for Account, Profile, or Verification. Then tap Verify Identity or Start Verification. Choose your country of residence, then fill in your full name, date of birth, and home address exactly as they appear on your official documents. Take your time here. Any mistakes can delay or block your verification. Next, MoonPay will ask you to upload an ID document, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear photos of the front and back if needed, making sure there's no glare or blur. After that, you'll usually be asked for a selfie or short face scan to match your ID. Keep your face well lit, stay inside the frame, and complete the scan. Submit everything and wait for your verification status to update. Once it shows as verified, your limits increase and you can use more payment options. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.